Hello everyone, I'm going to discuss the topic integration. So here we have the situation for area enclosed by two curves. If f and g are the continuous with fx greater than gx. So meaning that the function x is above the function gx throughout the interval a to b. Then the area of the region between the curve y equals to fx and y equals to gx from x is equals to a to x is equals to b is the integral of function f minus g from a to b. Kindly refers to the graph. So here we have the function fx is higher than gx. So the formula for the area will be area under the curve fx minus the area under the curve gx. And we will have integrate the function fx with respect to x from a to b minus the situation integrate the function gx with respect to x for the limit a to b. Finally, simplify the situation and we will have area equals to integrate the function fx minus the function gx with respect to x for the limit a to b. So in other words, you may refer this kind of situation by using a line. Kindly draw a line from f to the x-axis, and then we have another line which is red in color from the g to the x-axis. And we notice that the green color is longer than the red color. So in here, my suggestion is using the longest line minus the shortest line, where we have fx minus gx. Here we have the example for area enclosed by two curves. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y equals to x squared minus 5x and y equals to 25 minus x squared. Kindly focus on y equals to x squared minus 5x. First, the shape of the graph is U shape. Second, find the xy intercept, where we have x equals to 0, y will be equals to 0. So where we have 0, 0. When y equals to 0, 0 will be equals to x squared minus 5x. Simplify the situation where we have x multiplied with x minus 5 equals to 0. So x will be equals to 0 and x will be equals to 5. So meaning that we will have the point origin and also 5, 0. Next, express the situation in a standard form where y equals to x squared minus 5x. So completing the square, y will be equals to x squared minus 5x plus bracket negative 5 over 2 square minus bracket negative 5 over 2 square. Y will be equals to x minus 5 over 2 bracket square minus 25 over 4, where we have the minimum point 5 over 2 minus 25 over 4. Next, kindly focus on the second graph where we have y is equals to 25 minus x squared, or y will be equals to negative x squared plus 25. Step number 1, the shape will be N shape. Step number 2, find the intercept. When x is equals to 0, y will be equals to 25, where we have 0, 25 for the y-intercept. When y equals to 0, then we will have 0 will be equals to 5 minus x, 5 plus x, where the x will be equals to 5, x will be equals to negative 5. and the x-intercept will be 5, 0, negative 5, 0. Step number 3, we have a standard form where y is equals to negative x squared plus 25. So the maximum point is equals to 0, 25. So here we are going to find the intersection point between the two curves. So y will be equals to x squared minus 5x. Another function would be y equals to 25 minus x squared. So x squared minus 5x is equals to 25 minus x squared. Simplify the situation. 2x squared minus 5x minus 25, which is equals to 0. Factor the situation. 2x plus 5, x minus 5 is equals to 0. So finally, x will be equals to negative 5 over 2, x will be equals to 5. So here we have the points of intersection where we have negative 5 over 2 and 5. Kindly focus on the situation. So now we are going to sketch the graph. So focus on the part 1, where we have the point 0, 0, and then next we have 5, 0, which is over here, 5, 0. Next we have the minimum point where we have over here. So kindly sketch the graph. So where we have y is equals to x squared minus 5x. Next, we're going to focus on the second part, which is on the right. We have the graph, which is a N shape, and we have a point 0, 25. Next, we're going to have 5, 0. Then we have negative 5, 0. Kindly sketch the graph. So where we have the maximum point 0 over 25. So the graph will be something like this. So the intersection point would be negative 5 over 2 and also 5. So next we are going to identify the region bounded by the two curves. So here will be the region. So as we all know, the formula would be the highest minus the lowest, or we can say the graph that at the top minus at the bottom. So the area will be A is equals to, the highest will be the, or the top will be the green in color, integrate 25 minus x squared minus the blue in color, where we have x squared minus 5x with respect to x for the limit negative 5 over 2 until 5. Kindly simplify the situation. A for the area, integrate 25 minus 2x squared plus 5x with respect to x for the limit negative 2.5 until 5. Next, integrate the situation. We will have 25x minus 2x cubed over 3 plus 5x squared over 2 with the limit 5, negative 2.5. Next, substitute the situation and we will obtain the area 625 over 6 minus, if we substitute negative 2.5 and we will obtain negative 875 over 24. So finally, the area would be 1125 over 8 unit square. So here we are, and thanks for watching.